Hello there, this is Bill Mascas at the beautiful MarineMax in Stuart. I would like to show you really quickly the 21.5 XSF from Scout. What an amazing little boat. Come on. In my short presentation, I want to show you the features that impressed me the most. We start from the motor. You have the new V6 Mercury 175, extremely powerful motor with a lot of torque to get you anywhere you need. Remember, this is a 21-foot boat. And look at the space you have over here. You have a very nice aft transom seat, a very comfortable helm configuration with a nice cooler on the bottom. A very impressive feature on the boat is the accessibility to the bilge. Very clean, very easily accessible bilge. Nicely appointed digital throttle controls, steering, option for a 9-inch screen, Garmin, or any other electronics of your choice, fusion stereo, all your fuses, charging station, and a nice secure way to keep your phone out of the weather. And I think the most impressive is this bow. Look at this, look at the space, look at the seating area that you have. This is a 21-footer. You go on other boats and they have quarter of the size of the seating. Here, I can be comfortable sitting over here, enjoying the company of my friends all around, or the kids. Perfect. Finally, here on the bow, you have basically your air storage, anchor locker storage, and very easily accessible and clean. Thank you very much for watching this video. Again, I'm Bill Mascas at MarineMax Stuart. The best number to reach me, 203-808-5088. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.